We are here today, three middle schools of South County and St. Petersburg, to tour the Maritime Hub area. We are learning about different career opportunities, anywhere from putting together sail drones to actually running them. We toured the Coast Guard, learned lots about what the Coast Guard does, and the students also explored hanging bridges and the mechanics behind it.
I see something else to maybe try.
These kinds of activities are important for the children because it helps them in being able to collaborate with one another and share ideas and kind of grow from each other's ideas.
It sparks the magic for them in the classroom because it makes them more energetic, makes them more engaging, makes them want to learn more, but ultimately it provides access and opportunities for them once they become adults.
It's actually really nice because it widens my knowledge about like biology and science and math. So it's kind of helpful for when I go back to school.
Anything that's built in the ocean needs to understand what's under it, mapping wise. So yeah, that's exactly what they use for it.
So it's very important for me to, learn this stuff, learn about sea life, stuff like that. And also to get different experiences, different point of views in the entire world.
Seeing these real world experiences helps me like relate it to something that I haven't learned yet.